And guys, we'll all greet Anthony. It's his birthday today. Happy birthday, Anthony. Mwah. Anthony. Soy. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll see it leave. I state my case, a bridge I'm certain. I leave a last out to rabbit age and every highway and more, much more than this I did in my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again the beauty mentioned, I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned a charted course, each careful step along the byway. Oh, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure it knew when I beat all more that I could do, but through it all there was a doubt. I had it up, first beat it out. I face it all, and I so tall, and did it my way. Of love and fight, but then again, share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing. Think I did all that, and may I say that in a shy way. No, no, not me. I did it my way. What is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things that truly feels, and not the words of one who lives. The record show I took the blows and did it my way. Yes, I did it my way. Ala,
Grabe naman yan, nakaka-inlove naman yun. Napakagaling naman talaga ng kumanta.
Bala ka dyan.
Bahala ka siya. Ba't ang sungit mo sa akin? Grabe ka naman.
Kamusta ka?
Ba't ganyan? Nangangamusta pero parang galit.
Kamusta?
Ayan, dapat nakasmile. Okay naman ako. Ikaw, kamusta?
Okay lang ako. Salamat.
Kumain ka na ba?
Di pa.
Gusto mong kumain?
Okay lang ako. Di ako gutom.
Ba't ang taray mo?
Mana sa'yo.
Wow.
Sige na.
Ano? Pinapalis mo na ako?
Ingat ka. Kasi,
Pinap-
di ka naman lumalaban eh.
Wala naman nga kasi akong gifters. Ano lang ako? Parang ganun lang. Wala kasing wala akong supporters. I don't have supporters. That's why.
Ako lang. Nag-support ako sa'yo last time.
Kailan?
O, diba? Yun pa lang. Kahit napakaliit na bagay, hindi mo na-appreciate.
Tulo. Ay, yung nakaraan.
Yun ang masakit.
Ayun
Hindi.
yun, ayun yun.
Hindi mo natandaan, so that's fine.
Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung tinutukoy mo. So, yun pala yun.
Support nga, ne.
Oo nga. Oo na nga. Sorry na nga, eh.
Ingat ka.
So, pinapalis mo na ako. Okay, sige. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Pwede pa kiss.
Hindi na lang umalis ang diretso. Hoy,
Bakit?
lingon.
Paano lingon?
He wanted kiss, but I left. Oh my God. Why people so much flirting on here?